Now for this type of filtering that I'm going to talk about in this section, I want to use an IPAS path access list. And I can use it in a filter list, or I can use it in a route map. So let's see IP BGP table first. You can see that I have removed the previous filtering mechanism. Here I want to create an IP AS path access list, and the number is going to be, for example, 25. And next thing I want to have is to deny any route that is originated from AS number 4. So the AS number 4 is going to be the last AS, so anything before that is okay. I press an underline here, I type an underline here, that means space, and anything before that is okay. And I type 4 because I'm telling that 4 is going to be the AS path or the AS that I'm going to check. And I have a $sign, that means this is the end of this AS path. So after 4 there is going to be nothing. So I hit enter. Now I have narrowed my selection based on this AS path access list. So I can use it, as I told you, in a route map or in a, for example, filter list. I prefer the filter list here. So I go to router BGP 25 and I assign this to my neighbor. So neighbor, for example, 10 0 12 1 is going to be assigned a filter list, and this filter list is going to be there using the IPAS path access list number 25, and again I have it inbound or outbound. So let's clear IPBGP for any neighbor softly and check IPBGP. Now you can see that the route is gone. So I'm not letting any route with this matching inside. So let's remove this, and this time no IP AS path access list 25, of course. And here I'm going to create another IP AS path access list 25, and this time it is permitting anything that comes from AS number 4, actually anything that is originated from AS number 4, because this is the end of the regular expression that I have created. So here I'm going to use a route map. The route map is going to deny AS4, and here I'm going to deny whatever matches the AS path access list number 25, and anything else can come in. So permit 100, for example, and anything else is going to come. Let me check show IPBGP table result. Of course, first clear and make sure that anything is there using soft clearing, and show IPBGP again. Now you can see that the route is there. Here I go to router BGP process and assign this route map to neighbor 10 0 12 1. Route map is using deny AS4, and again it's going to be inbound. Now if I clear and show, you can see that the route is gone again. So using an IPAS path, I can have a filter list. Filter list is going to deny the route or permit the route, or I can have it in a route map and assign the route map to a neighbor. Whenever you have a route map, you are free to do anything. You are actually free to assign a tag. You can assign an AS path, prepend anything, or do whatever you want. But sometimes you cannot have the route map match something and do something else. So in some places you need a filter list, in other places a route map is going to suffice. So that's okay to use route map here, but be careful about what you are going to do with this type of filtering. In next part, I'm going to change my topology, and I'm going to show you how you can choose the correct AS path based on your design.